In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Apple Pencil Pro in Notes. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Apple Pencil Pro or any other model of Apple Pencil of any generation is fully compatible with the Notes app. In fact, drawing and taking normal standard notes with the Apple Pencil couldn't be easier. It is fully compatible, meaning that there is no additional setup. Simply open the Notes app, and once your Apple Pencil Pro is paired with your compatible iPad, just touch the tip to the screen within a note to begin writing or sketching. So, as long as it is connected, usually done through a magnetic attachment to your iPad or by other means like a specific pairing button, you will be set up to start drawing. Use the tip of the Apple Pencil and you can draw or write anything that you'd like. You can access additional tools by squeezing these two parts of your Apple Pencil and you will see the toolbar. You can also use the toolbar available at the top of the screen when you go into the options, but of course this is an easier way to access all of this. You will find undo and redo options. You can change which tool you are using, so you can choose a pencil, an eraser, a marker, a highlighter. You can change the color that you have selected, and you can go into additional settings. As I've said before, it is extremely simple to do this. The Notes app is designed to recognize the Apple Pencil instantly, so there is no additional setup needed. Just make sure that it is properly connected and that you bring it in close proximity of your screen while you are inside of a note. You can go into the settings and enable the option to draw with your finger as well. So if you would like to use your finger to draw additional things, this will also work. You can go into the pencil settings to customize other options, but it should be plug and play essentially. So as soon as you connect it, you are ready to use and draw within the Notes app. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Apple Pencil Pro in Notes. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.